This video is for the sound, not the picture. Listen to the sound in the background. Blue Moon doesn't know what it is. I'm in southern New York through Harriman State Park, Bear Mountain State Park. Second day in a row I've heard the sound. I can't find the source. I don't know if it's insects causing it, birds, industry. I don't think so. It's a high-pitched sound. Does anyone know what it is? Fran Hess, do you know what it is? If I find the answer, I'll let you know later. Someone help me. Listen one more time. Okay, bye.